Hi, my name is Justin Conway, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a word from a cell in Microsoft Excel. So let's take the blank sheet that we have here. Let's say we were to type a phrase in here. Let's say, let's go to the, and then we added some random, I don't know, we'll pick the word sun. Let's go to the sun movies. So I don't know, somehow that word ended up scattered in there, and we want to remove that. Obviously, you could just go in and select and delete it out, but let's say this is a word that may be recurring throughout your Excel document that doesn't belong there. For some reason, the word sun just keeps popping up in all different places. I don't know what kind of data you have, but maybe that's that's what's going on. I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the quickest way to get rid of that is to use the find replace function. You can hit Command F on a Mac or Control F on Windows. That'll bring up the find option. You click in here and write what you would like to find, which is the word sun. And let's put a space in there as well, because when we delete that information, we want to make sure that there aren't two spaces in between the word the and movies in our example, right? Because if we just delete sun, there'll be a space in the front and a space in the back. So we're going to do sun with a space and click on replace, and it's going to say replace with what? Well, if we wanted to just delete this word, we'll just leave it blank and click replace all. And when we go back to it'll tell you how many instances it found, which is 1 in our example. We go back to our Excel sheet, you can find the word sun and that space that followed the word have been removed. So you can use this on long phrases to delete multiple different entries and all across your Excel sheet for any specific phrase that you're looking to delete. And that's how to delete a word out of Microsoft Excel. My name is Justin Conway. I hope that helped. Thanks.